Everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2017 BMW 3 Series 33i xDrive. This comes in a silver exterior with a black interior. Silver accents here as well. Sunroof. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the vehicle. We've got our BMW xDrive and 33i badging and trunk in here. Some new all-weather mats here for you. Take a look at our rear seats. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And looking at the driver's side, we have our driver seat controls here. And our memory seats. Driver door controls. Steering wheel. And inside the vehicle, do have a push-button ignition. Mileage is currently at 44,014. And you can see our display here with navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that we have our climate control. Cup holders, BMW shifter, and command center here for making all those adjustments on the display. Now, if you'd like to see any photos, get any more additional information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.